In this video, we will briefly discuss how to manage your orders and sales reports. Let's first begin with orders by clicking Order, then Orders in the navigation bar. Here you will find all of your consumers' transactions within your account. You can filter to view transactions by a custom time frame, area, abnormal order status, route, machine name, or use any of the other search filters at the top. From this page, you can view basic transaction information for the machines in your account, such as when the door opens, closes, the order amount, machine information, and payment status. If the order amount is 0, no product was taken. As you can see, this transaction had a purchase of $4. Click the View button to the right to see more information about this transaction. At the top, you will see a repeat of the information from the previous page, such as the open and close door times, machine details, and the total order amount. If you scroll down, you will see information on the products that were purchased. If you would like to see more details on the transaction, click View Details at the bottom. Here, you will see specific recognition results and payment details related to the transaction. To find more information on our system, please feel free to view the VMS documentation sent to you by your representative. Thank you.